Stida, hello and welcome again to Kroeder Kroghen. And today's programme is distinctively musical. In fact, it's music almost all the way through. There is, as I promised you last week, a song from Connie Aiton and her new tape, The Call of Cornwall. But the majority of the programme is going to be about the Féile Pan Celtic, which is the Irish for it. I suppose we'd call it the Gol Pan Celtic in Cornish, or the Pan Celtic Festival in English. And more particularly about the song contest, the Cornish heat of which is going to be held at the Penbenton Hotel on the 23rd of February. Now that's quite a long way away, but the point is that the song which wins that Cornish heat will go on to the Celtivision Song Contest final in Killarney in May this year, so we're leaving plenty of time for budding songwriters to come up with the goods and produce a song to take to Killarney. But first, the song from Connie Aiton. This is taken from her new tape, The Call of Cornwall, and the song is called The Trees They Are So High, a traditional song recorded by W.E. Nance of Penarth, and a song which was sung by the old women mending nets at Padstow, The Trees They Are So High.
I listened in the garden, I looked o'er the wall, of 24 scholars there, my love exceeded all. The snowflakes fall, oh, I am chill and freeze, but my pretty lad so young still is growing. At 13 he married was, a father at 14, and then his face was white as milk, and his grave it did grow green. The daisies are outspread on the buttercups of gold, o'er my pretty lad so young now ceased growing. I'll make my love a shroud of holland fine, and all the time I'm making it, my tears run down the twine. And as the bell doth knell, I shiver as one cold, and weep o'er my pretty lad, now done growing.
Haunting and a lovely sound from Connie Aiton. Now on to Kernewek Pan Celtic, the song contest. Now I am in the fortunate position of having once won the Celtivision Song Contest in Killarney. In fact, it was the year after I'd met my wife in Killarney, so it has very special connotations and pleasurable connotations for me. It's a big song contest, it's televised, and there are entrants from Scotland, Ireland, Wales, Man and Brittany, as well as from Cornwall. So the standard is very high, and we hope the song that goes from Cornwall this year is going to reach a very high standard as well. The rules are very simple. The song has to be in the language of the country from which it comes, so obviously the Cornish song has to be in Cornish, and it has to be performed not necessarily by the songwriter, though it can be by the songwriter, as well as written down on paper. Anybody who can't write or speak Cornish can send their lyrics to Kernewek Pan Celtic, who will then have the lyrics translated into Cornish for them. And I'll give you the details at the end of the programme. But to give you some flavour of what previous songs have been like, from the 1984 festival, here are a few extracts from the 6 entries. They can be very, very different in style. For example, they might be like the Welsh entry, which is a big, high production number like this.
Welsh is my hand friend, my back out the well, he got several hands. Done he them what he could, as he held it back, out here and cold. I don't call you now, he meddled on him back in mouth, and care that good and
or they can be very simple, like the entry from the Isle of Man, Ellen McVeigh, which was a very, very straightforward, folksy tune done to a straightforward guitar accompaniment. A most attractive little tune, I thought. Lisa McGregor Canna Ellen Begfein. Ganodd worth y werddon o nebys scaffa ag o hynwys foiltorom at apela. Whatever that means. That was the Irish entry. Traditional instruments are often used, of course, because many of the Celtic countries have their own traditional instruments, and the Breton entry for the year 1984, where all these recordings come from, used them to very great effect, I think, in their entry. That was the Breton entry. And lastly, of course, there was the Cornish entry. And not boasting too much, I hope, I have to say that I was very pleased that we won that year. This was a song that I wrote with Chris and Mary Humphreys, and which we performed with the band Ragamuffin, who have been travelling around the country, around the world ever since, performing all over the place. And our song was called Anorannan Beren. This is the first time that Cornwall has won this competition, and we've... Now, after we fear agus hostians, very many thanks for your kind hospitality. We're each of us proud as a king to have won Kernewek Vickham. Unfortunately, Cornwall hasn't won the contest again since that year, though we've had some excellent entries. So let's see if we can do it this year. And remember, there is a £500 prize for the eventual winner in Killarney. Now, if you'd like to enter, then you should contact the secretary of Kernewek Celtic, who is Jane Trevenna, 114 Manor View, Parr Lane, Parr. And her telephone number is Parr 5093. Parr 5093. Hen you all, Regan Sathan Ma. Do you all? Goodbye, God be with you. Do you